The next thing that you should do is sketch out some ideas for some things that you want to do on paper. I like to do this on sticky notes for business cards because it works really well to sketch out part of it at the top of the sticky note, and then you can make notes across the bottom if you want to. Before you start, you might want to have an idea of the picture that you want to use so that you can have an idea for what direction your model is facing if you have a model, or if you have still life photography. Just the arrangement of the objects could be helpful in knowing where to put text and stuff like that. After that's done, you can jump into Photoshop and start making your business card. You want your business card to be 2.5 by 3.5. And make sure that this says inches. If it doesn't, then you're going to end up with something really small because the default is pixels. So make sure it says inches when you do 2.5 by 3.5. You can do either portrait or landscape. If the width is 2.5, it's going to be a portrait. So if you'd rather have a landscape, switch these two. The last thing to check is your resolution. It should be at 300 because this is something that you would eventually want to print. So you want a high resolution. And name it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is select your picture and then do any effects on it that you want to and get it cleaned up and fix the levels and all the normal stuff that you would do. So let's find my picture. And there's the picture I want to use, and drag it into my field and adjust it however I want to. If I just wanted her face in there, I'm always holding shift so that I don't distort the picture, of course. So now I'm going to do my effects to this picture. I'm not going to go through this because you can look through some of the older videos to look at some effects that you could do to it. So I'll just explain what I'm going to do, and then I'll come back in the next video and start on with the text. Probably I'll add some softness to her face, and of course I'll do the levels and maybe some brightness contrast. I'd like to do some effects to kind of add a little bit of this, something like this effect to it, because I like the lines effect that they've got there. That one and something like this. I think that's cool. So that is what is coming, and I will see you in the next video.